Sa kaugnay na balita, palalakasin pang lalo ng Amerika ang suporta nito sa Pilipinas. Inihag ito ni U.S. Defense Secretary Chuck Hagel sa kanyang pakipagkita kay Pangulo Aquino sa Malacanang kanina. Tiniyak din ni Hagel ang suporta ng Amerika sa mapayapang solusyon sa usapin ng West Philippine Sea. Si Rocky Ignacio ang ating tagapagbalita live mula sa Malacanang. Rocky?
Yes, maraming salamat, Ralph. Naging bahagi nga ng pulong ni Pangulong Aquino at U.S. Defense Chief Chuck Hagel ang usapin sa West Philippine Sea kung saan ipinaabot nito ang pagkilala ng Amerika sa pagsisikap ng Pilipinas na maresolba ang usapin sa mapayapang paraan. Sa pagkikita ni Pangulo Aquino at U.S. Defense Secretary Chuck Hagel, kinilala ng Amerika ang pagsusulong ng Pilipinas na resolbahin ang usapin sa West Philippine Sea sa mapayapang paraan. Kabilang kasi sa tinalakay sa pulong ng dalawang sitwasyon sa pinag-aagawang teritoryo ng Pilipinas at China sa West Philippine Sea. Nauna nang inihain ng Pilipinas ang usapin sa International Tribunal for the Law of the Sea o ITLOS. Suportado rin ng Amerika ang patuloy ang paghanap ng solusyon sa usapin sa loob ng ASEAN.
The United States supports ASEAN efforts to negotiate a South China Sea Code of Conduct, which will help peacefully manage disagreements and tensions arising from competing territorial and maritime claims. In the meantime, we encourage nations to peacefully resolve their disputes through internationally accepted mechanisms in accordance with international law, including the law of the sea, and without coercion or militarized attempts to alter the status quo. The United States appreciates the Philippines' efforts to solve its dispute through peaceful means.
Git ni Hagel, katulad ng iba pang mga bansa sa mundo, tiwala sila na mareresolba ito sa mapayapa at diplomatikong paraan. Naniniwala rin ang Amerika na nauunawaan ng China ang ginagawang pagpapalakas ng relasyon ng Estados Unidos sa iba pang mga bansa sa rehiyon.
I think clearly, as it was indicated to me, that and the Chinese have said this, and I don't speak for the Chinese government, but they clearly understand, like we all do, that this world is interconnected, and all powers must develop relationships and get along with each other for their own economic development, for stability, security, peace. You cannot have growth and development and possibilities for the future without stability, without security, without resolving disputes through war. So I welcome, and I think the ASEAN nations welcome China's participation in these institutions and organizations to find opportunities to be able to build platforms where you can deal directly with disagreements and with disputes in a peaceful way and hopefully moving toward a consensus of resolution. That's the way of the future for nations. And I think they have China as a responsible partner of many of these institutions and international organizations is important, and I suspect they see it in their self-interest as well.
Sinabi ito ni Hagel kasunod na rin ang nakatakdang pagbisita ni U.S. President Barack Obama sa Southeast Asian region. Ipinauubaya naman ni Hagel sa White House ang pag-anunsyo kung kabilang sa mga dadalawing bansa ni Obama sa kanyang ang Pilipinas.
On President Obama's upcoming trip to the region, I'll leave that to the White House and when and how they want to announce the specifics of that trip, except to say that I spoke with the President and he is very much looking forward to his trip to Southeast Asia, and I know that the White House is preparing for that and his meetings. A lot to discuss. So, again, I'll leave that to the White House on the specifics.
At yan pang ating pag-uulat mula dito sa Malacanang sa tulong ng RTVM. Ako po si Rocky Ignacio para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan.